Hi, this is Angie, and now we're going to set up your client questionnaires inside Photo app. This part is very simple and incredibly helpful when you need to collect more details from clients about their event. We'll start with the Questionnaire Templates tab. This is just a starting point. You can change any of the questions, edit them, or add new routes to fully customize it to your photography business. Let's go over what each column does. Question category. This is the section or topic your question falls under. Question text. This is the actual question that will be shown in the form. Event types. This controls which questions show based on the event the client selected, like wedding, maternity, or family session. Priority. This is very important. If you set it to high, the question will appear at the top of the form and be required with an asterisk next to it. If you set it to medium, the question will still show up, but it won't be required and it will appear after the high priority ones. Question type. Choose how you want the client to answer: text input, multiple choice, drop down, or checkbox. Options. If your question uses multiple choice, drop down, or checkboxes, this is where you type the options, separated by commas. Active. Set this to yes to include the question in your form. If you set it to no, it will be skipped. Once your template is ready, it's time to generate the form. Go to the menu, select Photography System, and click Set Up Questionnaire folder. This will create a dedicated Google Drive folder that stores all your client forms organized by month. Next, click Create Questionnaire. You can create one form at a time or do several together. Let's create one now for the client on row 2 of your Event Bookings tab. Once created, go back to the Event Bookings tab and scroll to the right. You'll see a clickable link to the form. When you open it, you'll notice only the questions related to the client's event type will show up. High priority questions appear first and are marked with an asterisk. Medium priority questions appear after and are optional. Drop-downs, checkboxes, and multiple choice options all work as expected. When the client fills out the form, their answers will go straight to your Google Drive. Just open your Client Questions folder, select the month, and click the form. Then open the Responses tab to view their answers. And that's it. A clean, professional way to gather all the info you need before the event. If you need help at any point, just reach out. Let's move on to the next section.